Oh, I'm very bullish today. Very, very bullish indeed. And it's bad news. Why am I so bullish about bad news? I'll explain. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Hitting all-time highs on my portfolio right now. This is great. We managed to buy the bottom of the war dip. We did it for Liberation Day. We've done it for the war dip. This is looking good. I'm trying to build a $1,000 a month dividend payout and a portfolio to $1 million, all from 5,000 without doing options, without doing shorts, and none of it has been earned through crypto. Crypto is still down overall, even though I'm up on all my new positions, but looking pretty good, right? This is only part of the portfolio. You've got my crypto and my Roth IRA in addition to this, so we're just touching 700 grand now. We're nearly at $1 million. So why am I so bullish on the FOMC Minutes? If you want the full FOMC Minutes, go on the homepage of the channel and you will see Sensei just went live a few moments ago. Go past live streams and Sensei covered it all for you. He broke it down for you in a really great piece from the newsletter, which we're giving you 50% off right now, by the way. There it is, because of the training course is out. Just drop the link in the chat for you. So really exciting stuff. We just covered that, but I'm really bullish. In a second, I'll tell you why in a second. In a few minutes as well, we're going, oh, that's not working right. That's broken. That shouldn't have done that. Try a different one. In a few minutes' time, I'm going to be live with an exclusive interview with Donald Trump speaking to the UK. Something very rarely done, hardly ever done, in fact, and that's why I'm excited about it. That's coming up in a minute. So that comes up straight after this, so you won't want to miss this, all right? Really, really, really quite exciting. So we're going to cover this in just a minute. Oh, let me just press this button here. I need to press that. That looks better, doesn't it? That looks better. And then press that, and then press that, and then press that. There you go. There you go. An exclusive event. Donald Trump speaks to the UK. Going to explain all that in a minute. But right now, though, we are looking at, now I've got to go back over here. I've got to press more buttons. I've got to go there, and there. Blimey. Anyway, we're doing lots more on the show. You may have noticed lots more stuff coming onto our channel. So let me tell you why I'm really bullish, super bullish now, extraordinarily bullish. I mean, I already was before, you know, but now I'm even more. Can you be more than maximum? Yeah, I say you can. I'm even more than 100%. Is that a real thing? It is. And I'm going to say it right now. And I'm just noticing things all over the place here. And let me fix something. I don't like it. I don't like when things aren't perfect. You probably can't see it, but I can. And because I can see it, it annoys the hell out of me. And now it's gone the other way. Oh, this is annoying me. You can't see this, but I can, and it's doing my head in. Don't like it. Just bear with me. What's happened with that? What's going on? Why am I getting this funny stuff happening? There you go. Bloody hell. You're thinking, I can't even see it, Martyn. Why are you bothered? Well, you've got no idea. I am. And that's all there is to it. Oh, this is annoying me now. There you go. There you go. I fixed it. You've no idea. But stuff like that matters to me. It's got to be right. Okay, so what am I talking about? The FOMC report. Can anyone notice what I did there? Looks better, doesn't it? Does anyone care? Probably not. Right. The FOMC report was great. The minutes, that is. We're talking about the minutes. What it shows us is we're not going to get any rate cuts. You might go, well, why is that so great? Because it means the market will be happy with the Fed. And you know, Trump wants the rates to come down, and he appointed someone who would come in, Hirsch, would come in and bring the rates down. He ain't going to bring the rates down. They might even put it up. They're not going to put it up, but there's conversation about putting it up. That's FOMC speak to say, market, don't get carried away. But we like that. What that means is we've got discipline in the market. I like stuff like that. You might not like it, but I do. It means we've got a good We've got a good, disciplined FOMC report. And that's why the market likes it. You might think the market wanted to hear today from the minutes that we're going to get more likely to see rate cuts. And we didn't get it, did we? People are like, oh, hang on, we're not getting rate cuts. This is what we want. This is what we want. This means we've got a handle on the economy and a handle on the stock market. This is good. But also, for the stocks that I'm in and the assets that I'm in, it's great news for them. Let me explain what I mean by that. If I go over to my portfolio here, crypto is selling off. Okay? Crypto is selling off. Why? Because crypto wants rate cuts. Why? Because it brings liquidity into the market and people buy speculative high-risk assets when the rates come down. But because we've been doing our tax harvesting and been buying lower and lower and lower, we've managed to get all our crypto at the best prices. All right, all of my crypto is up. Look, 4%, 8.5%, 6.5%, looking great, right? Not overall, we're not kidding ourselves, but we're in a great position. And all our future gains are tax-free because of our paper losses, right? Really, really great. I don't mind if XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum goes down. I've locked up my Ethereum, so it's earning me 2% now. I don't care if it goes up, down, or sideways. I have bought it for the long term. Bitcoin, that can go down as well, and I'll buy more of that. XRP, I've got enough to take me to where I want to be, the 100 grand in crypto. Don't need to buy anymore. Very happy. Don't need rates to go up. Don't need rates to go down. I'm in charge of my portfolio, and that is what it's all about, okay? So I like all of that. I like that we've got a Fed that's in control. So for those that want to get free money, the gamblers, the speculators, they all get rinsed out because as it goes down, they over leverage on the way up. They started buying yesterday. They all get out. The whole asset class becomes much more mature, which means I am going to guarantee to make money. So I like it. I like we're not being promised all these rate cuts. In other words, what I'm saying is you want things to be the hardest they can be. You want it to be the toughest it can be and still remain in. That means those that remain in, those that stay in, make the most money. Those that gamble and guess get rinsed out. They get bored, they get fed up, and we all win. I love it. So that's great for my XRP. That's great for my Ethereum, and that's great for my Bitcoin. All up, all green, looking lovely. Now, what about my stocks? Well, the first time since the war began, in fact, the first time since January when Trump came in and started crashing the market, I am up on every single asset. Look at that. Every single asset. And all of this is inflation proof to a point. I'll explain why. It's rate cut proof, I'll explain why, and it's oil proof, and I'll explain why. So I'm in a great position. We sold the S&P at the top. We were right to do that in October. We got back in again just a few weeks ago at the potential bottom. I'm up on it. I'm not only up on it, I'm earning dividends, and I'm very, very happy. Great stuff. So I don't care that we don't get rate cuts. The S&P doesn't need rate cuts. It's now focusing on value, and value is where it is when you buy it at 20 times earnings. So good for VU. How do you do? Coca-Cola, that's going up. Why is Coca-Cola going up? Because it's undervalued, it's expensive, but high risk is off the table. We're not going to get rate cuts, so we're not going to get Bitcoin and Ethereum go to the moon. So we can buy a real business. Coca-Cola is green today and up. I'm up all time. And I made 45 grand in the last trade. This trade is going to be even greater. Fantastic. I'm on the way to earning $1,000 a month for Coca-Cola overall on my earnings. SGov. I'm out of SGov. I'm not in SGov at all. Why would you want to be safe? That's where the silly money goes, right? Google and Nvidia don't care about rates. It makes no difference. Don't you remember when Google and Nvidia pumped a couple of years ago? The rates were going up. Right? They didn't seem to care. They won't care. Why? They have piles of cash. They earn more money when rates are high. They are not bothered about that. The people that are bothered about rates, rate cuts is crypto and basically bad businesses, new businesses, those on the Russell that want rate cuts. Not good for them at all. And I said to you that what is subject and is risky right now is subject to rates. What did I say? Which company did I say? The one that could pump? What did I say? Virgin Galactic. I told you all about it. It could short squeeze. It could go to $5 and $10. But this is the asset I've been saying. All assets, all penny stocks, all stocks that borrow money want rates to come down. No rate cuts is not good for Virgin Galactic. And we've lost all of our pump, 330, 328, straight back down again, right? I did warn of this. That's why I didn't buy it. I said, I'm not ready to buy this, okay? Did say that on the show. So you can see my Coca-Cola is running, my Google is running, my Nvidia is running. So today, the FOMC report was perfect. The FOMC report was exactly what I predicted, exactly what I expected, and boom, the Discordians, the Electrum members are winning again. I am loving it. I am loving it. So there you go. On the thumbnail, I said FOMC Minutes. I am loving it, and I'll explain why, and I think I have, right? So what we're going to do now is we've got an interview from Donald Trump, exclusive to the UK. I want to share this with you, inside the mind of Donald Trump. We're going to go inside the mind of Donald Trump with a British news reporter, not on CNN, that hates him, not on Fox, that loves him, but a British perspective. Donald, talk to me, tell me, as if I was speaking to Donald myself. So we have inside the mind of Trump right now, a breaking news exclusive. We're going to go there right now. So it's pinned to the top. We're going to go there in just a couple of seconds' time. I'm going to give everyone the link for it. Now, if you are watching on the phone, you're watching on the phone version, click on the icon, join me on the homepage, and you'll find the widescreen version, and there you'll see the link for what we're about to share right now. So today has been great. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. So there it is. We are up. We're making money. We're always making money. We're always beating the market. And I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay, so there you go. Not a bad day, I think you'd agree. The S&P is up 2.33. That's the benchmark. We are up 3.88. We're beating the market again. We're beating Berkshire Hathaway again. And we predicted it right again. And now we're going to go over to our special event where we have an interview with Donald Trump. Okay? That's it from me. You've got the link. Join me there right now. Thank you very much. If you're watching on the phone, I've told you what to do. It'll automatically take you there, and join me on the homepage by clicking the icon. All right, guys. And after the interview with Donald Trump, we are going to our Discordian event, a Discord event tonight, one-on-one support, sharing all my trades. Every one of my trades has been winning for 3 years now. One-on-one support as we get ready for tomorrow. And tomorrow is going to be another exciting day. Life is always exciting, right? Especially when you're always winning. I'm loving it. All right, that's it from me. I'll see you back in a minute, and then I'll do live Q&A as well for everybody. Until then, come and join me with Donald Trump. Take care of yourselves and each other. Did I mention I'm loving it?